Give yourself up. Now, tell me, where are you?
St. Louis.
So he showed up not dead yet. Let that be a lesson to you boys and girls. Don't ever argue with the big dog. Big dog is always right.
Yeah, you've been right before.
All right.
Walter, this is Richard.
Richard, Jesus. Why did you run? Running only makes you look guilty.
I wasn't worried about appearances, Walter.
Tell me where you are so I can come meet you and you can turn yourself in.
I'm not gonna turn myself in. I need help. I need money.
I might be crazy, but that train sounds like an L.
St. Louis doesn't have an elevated train.
How do you know it's an elevated train?
You know, I think he's right. I lived under an L for 20 years.
No, well, then you can explain the difference in the sound of an elevated train as opposed to a train that's running along the ground. You must have ears like an eagle. Play that back. I want to hear the sound of an elevated train.
All right, wait a minute. Now, what cities have L's? New York's got an L.
Philly.
We do.
We got an L.
wasn't worried
Milwaukee's
about
got an L.
Hold it right there where the lawyer says that he sounds guilty. There's bells in the background. There's a guy on a PA. I want to drop everything but the guy on the PA. Can you do that?
Yeah, I'll try it. Hold on, Sam.
Okay.
Walter, this is Richard.
Richard.
Yeah, right there.
Why did you run? Running only makes
What's he
you look
saying?
guilty.
Sound like next
wasn't worried about
stop.
appearances.
Sound like next stop. Do that again.
Why did you run? Running only makes you look guilty.
Next stop.
Worried about appearances, Walter.
Merchandise
Tell me
mart.
where you are.
Son of a bitch, our boy came
Turn
home.
yourself in.
That bell is the bell on the Wells Street Bridge. It's 6 blocks away.
I knew that was an elevated train.
Oh, yeah, big dog, you're never wrong.
Okay,
I'm gonna call the CPD.
this is his Chicago file.
Excellent. Andiamo, Bambini.
Sammy,
Yeah.
when I die, I want to come back just like you.
No, you mean happy and handsome?